Hi class, this video is going to walk you guys through on how to get started creating a Canva account and how to start using it. So the very first thing is you're going to head over to your class, World History, and you're going to click on Unit 5. And under Unit 5, you're going to find the Unit 5 project. There you're going to find a link to Canva. So you're going to click on that. I want you guys to do it this way just in case you type in the wrong address. This will definitely take you to the right one. So you're going to click on Canva and it's going to take you to the website. And the first thing you're going to do is sign up. Now Canva's really cool. You can sign up using your Google account, your school account. And all you have to do is click on your school account and then it links it up and saves all your work automatically. You can also let them know if you are a student, if you are a teacher. I could verify my account, get some perks that way. And there we go. Welcome to Canva. So it's easy as that. Once you are here, you are going to go to where it says infographic. You're going to search here, infographic, because you guys are creating an infographic. And I'll give you a bunch of templates to choose from. Now, not all the templates are ones that you might want for our World War I project, but you can choose one like this one. It's all about nutrition and food. I can replace the title. I can replace the images for things that I do want. So I don't really want whatever that is. I don't want a steak, none of that. Maybe I just want to replace it by talking about tanks and how they were used in the war. So then I'll take away those and I'll put tank. Or actually I'll go to images or elements. I'll search up the word tank and I'll find the tank and I'll add it to my picture. So that's how I can begin editing on here. I can move it and then I can replace protein for tanks. And I can begin again editing. Once you're ready to download, you're just going to hit download here. And you're always going to want the free option. It's going to try to sell you things. Don't buy anything. Just always download for free. It doesn't matter if it has a watermark. As long as all the information is there and I can read it, it's fine. I don't care about the watermarks. Alright, and that's how you create a Canva account and start using it. If you have any questions, let me know during class.